take us very long to put on a couple inches of water here. Dan was being careful and watching so that I didn't get too long-winded. And at some point, I want you to just kind of look at this, all right? Just keep in mind what just happened here is that front jars are runoff, back jar infiltrated water, right? Okay, first one here, we ended up with, of course, water runoff, very little infiltrated water. Our no-till site, flipped it around. Aggregate stability, keeping the surface covered, makes a huge difference. What happened to my cover crop over here? Very little runoff. It's that no-till, added effect of live root system, etc. That's another principle, I think, isn't it? Yeah, see it? We keep hitting these principles, I tell you what. Anyway, then we're getting over our grass samples and we start talking about soil structure, etc. You can see that my grass sample way over in the end, you'd say, well, gee, that didn't infiltrate as much water. What's going on there? It's holding it. Got this huge amount of soil organic matter, this huge amount in the surface, especially man, that sponge is something else. It just sucks it right up.
Very little runoff though.
Yeah.
But if your dam is dry, you should season long grains.
Okay.
Let's back into it.
But you'll have water.
Guess maybe I'd think about that maybe a little differently, but yeah, I guess you could think about it that way.
Couple things I'd like to add, and I'm not gonna say who mentioned this, but the comment made me think about this. They said even if you turned all the cropland back into grassland, it's not going to have any impact on the downstream effects or the fertilizer that's going downstream or infiltration, flooding. It just won't matter even if you put it all back into grass. You think that statement was correct based on what you see here?
Well managed grass.
It depends, yeah. If it's all managed like this, they were probably right. But if you put in some good